Little tippy toes. What do you got over there? Gonna get your books? You gonna get your books? You gonna take a little taste? A little taste of your books? Is that the Peekaboo Who? Is that the Peekaboo Who book? Huh? Peekaboo Who? Peekaboo Who? Here. Say Peek-a-Who. Peek-a-Who. Moo. Peek-a. Peek-a. Peekaboo. Alright, now what is it? It's on the next page. Oh, wait. Pika. Pika-Zoo. Pika. Choo. Pika. You. Is that Rylan? There's a mirror in that book. Is that Rylan Cooper? Yeah.